Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be designing a movie poster titled The Crown. So first of all, I'll be using Pixellab to uh, manipulate the background that I will be needing for this design. So just want to create a design, a background that perfectly matches what I will be designing. I'll create the background and possibly add the crown here in Pixellab before finalizing the design in Pixellab. So I have a folder that has what I'll be using for this, the crown. Okay, this is it. So I'll be using this background, this, oh, not this actually, not this. So go to the folder, this is the main background. Then let me add the other two background. So to do that, you just come over to add photo. So you click on add photo here. So this is also the place here if I want to blend in, maybe if I want to blend the background to my image. So I'll select the two or the three of them, then click on add. So I'll just lock this layer first, blend this also, then work with this first. So I'll increase this, then I'll come over to blend, then I'll use screen first, multiple, okay, overlay, I think, okay, overlay is good. And I'll just reduce the opacity a little bit. Is it okay? So this is good. Now lock this, then click on this also. So I'll just enlarge, take away the Bible parts. Then the same thing, I'll go over to blend, screen, no. Oh, okay, I think this overlay is quite giving me what I want. No. So I'll work with the overlay. Then I'll reduce the opacity a little bit again. Alright, so now the crown itself. So the title of the movie is The Crown. So I'll enlarge this crown. I think it's too much. Wait, let me check this background again. Of this. I think this is better off. This is better off. So we'll have this. I'll blend this first. This first one. I'll blend this first one. Okay, with overlay. Then I'll copy it. Oh, sorry. Then I'll copy it. Let me show you centralized. Let me centralize it. And I'll copy it. So I'll come here, double click it, then duplicate. Then this time around, I'm not going to blend it. I'll just leave it as normal. Then I'll reduce the opacity a little. Okay, so we'll have something like this. Okay, before then, let me delete this first. So I'll be using eraser tool to clean a little part of this so that it will look as if the image, the crown is immersed in the background. So I'll just go over to my eraser. So I'll select this, then go over to eraser. Where is it? Sorry. Okay, is it here? Erase. So I'll go over to erase. So the size, let me increase a little. Then the hardness, I'll reduce the hardness to 0. Then reduce the opacity a little. Then reduce the size a little. So I'll just clean these parts. Okay, let me increase the opacity. Okay, increase the hardness a little. So if you look now, it will look as if the crown is inside the background. Alright, so we'll have something like this now. I'll take this up a little bit. Then now I'm going to duplicate this, double click, duplicate. So, but this time around, the blending option is going to be normal, so I'm not blending anything. Then I'll just take it exactly to the same position that the first one is and reduce the opacity a little bit so that you have a little feel of the blended one. Alright, so we have this. I'm going to save this now. Oh, what's going on? So I'm going to save this, download this, then take it to my Pixellab for the final design itself. I'll delete this, then resize my canvas to 1600 by 2000. Okay, and I'll bring in my background, which is this. So we have this. Okay, so the movie name is The Crown, so I'm going to write crown, but this time I will not add the O. So I'll just have CO, then space, sorry, CR, and W in cap lock. Okay, so the style is that I'm going to add the 0 I'm going to add there is going to be big, and that is where I'm going to write the D that is supposed to be there. So I'll look for a good font. I'm going to search for a font to use. Let's see. No. I don't think I like this. Okay, I feel like the color here is too much, so let me just make it darker a little bit. I'll just use this, but this time around I'll reduce the opacity even after that. Alright, and take it downward to the back. Okay, I think it's still too dark. Alright, so this is okay. I'm gonna lock it. Then still look for a font that I'm gonna use for this. No. Okay, I think this is good. Alright, okay, so I'll copy this, then just write the 0, and this time around I'm going to increase the size of the 0. No, this font will not, it's not align with it should not align with what I want to work with. I need a round font. No. Let's see. Let me check this. Okay, let me see if this will work. So let me centralize this. Delete. So I'll copy this and change it to 0. Let me see. Okay, I think this will quite work. Space this again. Centralize this. Then bring this to the center. Just increase this a little. And centralize. Okay, so we position it properly. Alright, so I'll bring in a round shape. Then just put it at the center of the 0. Then change the color to red. So I'm going to write D inside there. Okay. Then I'll change the font to this exact font that I'm using. Okay. Then I'll change the color of this to, I'll just pick a color from this crown. Okay, I think this gold is quite okay. We just add a little, make it sharper. It's looking like yellow. Okay. Alright, so this is okay. Change this also to the same color. Alright. Okay. The crown. So I think this is okay. This is okay. So let me just increase the size of this crown by cropping this. Alright, so like this. Yep, so this is better. So for this, let's increase the opacity a little. Okay, and we'll lock this, then take it right up down. Then we're showing out Adamas Cinema on we'll change the font of this. Oh, sorry. I'm omitting N on this crown. Sorry. Reduce this a little and centralize. So move these together and this. Okay, let's reduce the size. So just select everything together, you click on this, and this is resize. Okay. or reposition because it seems okay. Then we'll move everything together to the center. So if you want to select multiple elements together and move, just click on this icon and select the three of them. Click on edit. This is rotate, this is resize, this is for center, left, stop, right alignment. Then this is for movement to adjust, maybe pastel. Then this is the blind everything. Then this is to lock everything. So we just want to move. So we select this and we'll move. Good. Now we are good to go. So this, change the font. Oh, let's see. I don't like this. So let's just use a normal font for this. Let's use Poppins. Poppins blank. Okay. Alright, so change this to red. Yes. Oh, not quite showing enough. So let me darken this. Yeah, copy this. 27th. Oh, sorry. 27th July. Maybe 26. Okay. So I'll change this to white. And I'll change the font also. Oh, okay. I think I'll be using this. Alright, so I just let's change this to the color of the crown. I'll change this to white, then change the other the dates to the color of the crown. Okay. Alright, I think this is quite better. Then let me bring a line. Draw a line here. Okay. This is too thick. Right, so I'll copy this, bring it down. Okay, this is not centralized, so I'll centralize this also. Right, then I'll move this up a little. The line is too much, so let me select the two line and just reduce it a little and centralize it. Okay. Okay, let me move them up a little. Then I'll bring in a dummy text. Okay, so I'll be using, naturally this is not for someone to read, it's just to bring about a perfect alignment. So I'll be using this font for that. This. Alright, so have something like this. So let's check red. Alright, I think this is okay. Let me just copy it again. Okay, I think we are good to go. We are good to go with this. So align. Alright, perfect. So we are good to go with this. Okay. A little touch present. We'll change the font of this to this. Okay, I think that is too thick. So let's use a lighter popping. Let me medium. Then the line spacing, let's increase the line spacing. So you just come over to this spacing. Centralize. And I'll just reduce the opacity a little. Okay. Then the producer name this time, we'll write it and put it at the top. /e books films. Okay, and this will be at the top. So because of the crown, cannot actually align this properly at the front, so we'll just give it a left alignment this time around. Give it a left alignment. We'll change the fonts. Okay, so we are good to go. So this is how to design this simple and clean movie poster using your mobile phone. So you first of all create the background using your Pixellab, then finalize your design here on Pixellab. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video.